Suppose I have to create a PO using one material and one vendor. That part we already know how to create PO. But here question will come using that particular material. Till now how many PO already created, or using that particular vendor till now how many PO already created, how to check that PO list. Today I will explain that things.
Now we already know how to create PO using a particular material or a vendor. Now question will come, how many PO already created by taking that particular material or a particular vendor. That means we have to check the PO list. So for that we use two T code, that is ME12 or ME2M. I'll show you how to check. This is easy guys. Slash n sorry ME2L. First we go for ME2L. This is against vendor. Using vendor, how many PO already created, that part we check. I take a PO. I already created a PO guys. I paste it here. The vendor number. Sorry, I already created the vendor. Now click on execute. Here all the PO are come. See. This is the first PO, this is second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is the vendor. Against this vendor, we already create this many PO. Likewise, we go for the next T code, that is ME2M. Means using this material, how many PO already we created. Slash NME2M. Okay. Here in material section, you have to give material 2923. Okay, then click on execute. Here all the PO list will come. You can check here. Okay, and in you can double click here and see all the detail as well. See, this is the screen.
Hello. Till now we know how to create PO. After creation of PO we do goods receipt. In goods receipt two things are happen. Our stock will increase and our value of the stock also increase. The price of the stock also increase. So now question will come, where we check this stock and where we will check this value of the stock. I'll show you in a second.
For checking stock, here we use T code MMBE. The T code is MMBE. Here we check our stock. I already created the material and vendor. Here I give my material 2975, plant, and 0001 is my storage location, and then click on execute. You can skip that storage location part also, not worry. Then click on execute. See, this is my stock 10. Okay, I already did goods receipt, that's why it is showing 10 here. It is my stock. If you want to check the what is the value of this 10 item stock, okay, then where you can check slash n me21 and go to your PO again, sorry, slash n me23n display PO. Okay, then copy your PO first, then click on other purchase order, paste your PO here and enter, and go to the purchase order history. Here you did already goods receipt. Click on material document, double click on here, and after that click on document info. Then after that click on FI document. Okay, then click on accounting document. Here we can see the value of the stock. This part is for FI consultant guys. Here FI consultant check their amount. For that 10 stock, the amount is 2500, and this is the account number 300,000,000, 3 lakh. It is the standard for stock. This number we will use. This is we also call GL account as well. And there is
another T code. I will tell you. It is for knowledge purpose. /n FS10N. Okay, this code is used by FI consultant. In account number, you give your GL account. It is for stock, which I already explained. In company code and fiscal year. Here we can see till now in a particular fiscal year how much amount of value we buy. We can see here the total value, not an individual value, the total value. Click on execute here. See, till now 1,806,200, almost 1,80,600, 18,06,200 amount of material we have in our storage location. The debit means this amount of material we buy. Okay, so in FS10 also we can see all the ledger till now how much amount of material we buy. Okay, remember the T code.